going to try a little thing different. All right? I've always said music charts are subjective. And your chart, your top 5 might not be my top 5. And people war over them top 5. So we could start a conversation. Charts are important, but charts must be verified and vetted carefully. What do I mean? So this is my top 5 songs for the year 2023 so far. Now, something that we need to understand is people will say, but those songs didn't come out in 2023. They weren't released in 2023. Doesn't matter. It's not about when a song is released. It's about when it gains traction and when it becomes popular. And because of this, songs will flip-flop on charts, meaning they may enter a chart on a particular year, disappear, and then reappear. Because in these charts that you'll hear me talk about just now, that happened. So my top 5 for the year 2023, Fight Me, because you're going to have issues with them. So what's your top 5? Here's my 5. We're going ascending order. So let's start with number 5. My number 5.
They love chat when I run them black.
Run them black first class.
Come back, the dark like this, so me fly them back.
Protocol, we have 100 chop.
A shot man with a time in the K in a shots.
And that's 5. For some persons, especially who are disciples and followers and fans of Skeng and Tommy Lee, that's supposed to be higher. For others, it's not supposed to be there any at all. But my number 4, again, Fight Me.
Glock 40 on my belly, my clout tip, I'm ready, shot dog shit when you ready. High grade lift.
So that's my number 4. Now, when you get into the top 3, this is where arguments start, because not necessarily because of entries, because these 3 songs are undisputable top 3. The issue might be around the ranking, and this is where the fight starts. So relax. This is number 3.
Over this up, see a hot girl, me a call her hello. If you see bigger the dance and the place get mellow, hear me I tell you.
Now, people might ask, if Drift is number 3, what up that? Easy.
Outside, Kalash, Kilish, Kalash.
So yeah, that's number 2. Before I let you know what number 1 is, let me speak a little bit on number 2. Yeah, I may have said 2. Sue me, and you will understand later on why this whole argument at 2 is a big thing. I watched an interview with Tony Matterhorn the other day. Matterhorn, big up yourself. Giant and column in a Jamaican popular culture, especially when we talk about the Clash world, which is something that we're going to cover as well. Matterhorn made a statement, and he said, Massacre has more top songs, more hits than Popcorn. And there was an uproar because people go and say, no, that's not true. In the diaspora, which is Jamaica and where you find Jamaicans, when you put Massacre songs against Popcorn songs, there's a difference between hits and big songs, as Matterhorn said. So we're talking about hits. within the diaspora because the number 2 song on the list, Taliban. People can say, but that's not a Jamaican song. It's a dancehall song, and that's what we concern, because one of the things that we're going to come across in the charts is a song doesn't have to be created in Jamaica for it to be part of the popular culture. And this is something that we want to understand. You ask then, what is number 1? Well, sing it. Start. Because you know what number 1 be. Start sing it.
Rock it in, to the top of a fit up it in, wack it dip. Hacky dip. From me a joke. Clock them a tick like I'm birthday. Money hit hard to have it, you know spray.
So yeah, those are my top 5. The top 5 songs so far in 2023 for me. Yeah, let me hear the dispute. Start the conversation. What's your top 5? What would you replace? What would be the entry you replace that song with? So let's have a conversation. But Tyrant, and it will stand the test of time. So make we say, talk soon.